that the car?
Yes, sir, right there.
Where we meeting at?
We're just gonna go to the gas station, get gas, and then we're just gonna follow him.
Okay, so we'll go. What gas station are you going to?
I'm not sure. Do you have one like right here that we can go to?
Let me look it up right now before you go. So we can. There's a gas station right here.
Yeah, gas station. We got the sunset hitting. Let's go, man. We need gas ASAParino. Peep the sunset, man. It looks so good. It looks so fire. Alright, well, here's the deal. We're going out with Mclaren again. We got all the boys here. We're about to do a little bit of roller shoots with the boy band. We got another videographer inside the 765 LT. Oh, we got an M1000, another M1000 up there, Rafa. We got the ZX10, the boy CJ on the Aprilia. Matt Maxey on the H2. Should be a pretty good time, man. Ooh. Let's go. Oh my god. I forgot my gas cap, bro.
God, the heat coming off this thing is insane. This is beautiful. No. Oh shit! Oh my god! Oh fuck! Fuck, dude.
No way, bro. Oh my. No way, man. I think it's antifreeze. Yeah, that's cool. Yes, that's coolant. Are you okay, bro? Here, give me your hand. Give me your hand, bro. Take your time, dude. Where's his phone? Oh my god, dude, no way, man. Here it is. Fuck. There's two phones right here. Yeah, there was a car crash. I'm on Glendale Avenue in Arizona. I'm on the corner of Glendale Avenue and 99th Avenue. You said what?
Are you involved in
I am not. It was two cars that were involved, two different parties, and it's in the middle of an intersection. We're in the middle of the intersection on Glendale.
color vehicles were they?
One was a gray and black one, a high-end car, and the other one is a Honda Civic, a four-door.
Okay. And
She's all right.
I appreciate you stopping.
Yeah, absolutely, man.
Yeah.
Thank God for those.
Yeah, I appreciate you.
Guys, everybody-
You have a good night, good weekend. I think so. I mean that I don't think he's doing too good, but
Oh my God, I was like,
he's walking. That's important. That's good though, you know.
the rider.
There was no rider. It was this car with this car.
Oh shit.
Yes.
Well, praise God for that.
That's what I'm saying. Thank you again. Have a good night.
You guys involved in it at all?
No, it's just a friend. We're just helping.
Get out of the internet.
Okay. All right. Yep. Alright, well, we're hanging out. We're still here. Everything's been pretty much getting wrapped up. Mo's thankfully alright. They took the person in the car to the hospital. and the tow truck is now here to drag the 765 LT, because there's no other way they're gonna get this 765 onto the bed of the tow truck without dragging it. So alright, well, the McLaren is officially loaded up, heading out to the shop. Mo's alright, so. Alright, man, well, Mo just got loaded up in his Uber. The wide body Urus. What a crazy car to be picked up in after a crash, man. That thing sounds good. Thing sounds real good. Well, tonight didn't end up as we expected it to be, man. Damn it, dude. Well, me and CJ are heading back to the B&B, so always got my guy by my side, man. Fucking love this dude. I ain't known CJ for a very long time, but bro, we've been through some shit together already. It's kind of crazy. Can I come out in front of you? Thank you. We're just gonna take a little cruise back to the house, man. I'm so freaking tired, exhausted. It's been a long trip, been a long couple days. The red and blues, man, shit you never love to see. I mean, in this case, like, like I said, we're just gonna take a little cruise back to the B&B, call it a night, check out some footage, man. Just relax. It's been a crazy couple of days. We'll keep an update on Mo and everything else. Not the video I like to make, that's for sure, but still appreciate you guys tuning in, and I will see y'all in the next one.